toughest Jamaican boat here.
Then where you going?
And me want kill dirty man one day when me shoot the first one, you know, so the 30 bullet lick him. Where you talk about? See him there, man. Catch yourself right there, man. Yo, where's he up now? Where's he up?
At times you run off the place, you know. At times you go back and do this, you know, man. You can't make man come from England and come run off the place, you know.
The boy run my ends him. The boy run my streets
Your ends them, everything. You have to hear him and take over.
You don't know, see I make all the shots.
You don't know. That's why we are telling us to run off the place, I know.
Don't see alright, got you right there.
Alright, boss.
Buckler, what them kill my girl? Look at him some big guy yeti. Who you tell him poof? Shut up!
Buckler, I'm supposed to be watching Satan! Ready now, ready!
Mama, come in! Buckler, mama, but you're still thick man, blood people dead!